12, and it's time for traffic and weather on the 2s. No shortage of incidents to talk about on the roads.
Yeah.
Of course, weather both here and down south.
It's nasty out there. We've got some wet weather in our area. Some
Thunder last night was amazing, too.
And more the weather watchers were able to get some lightning pictures. So, you know, there's got to be a lot of lightning to get that shot. We'll share that in a second. But, yeah, you need the rain gear. You need to factor in a little extra time. And remember, we're going to be dealing with on-again, off-again showers during the course of the day with this slow-moving front. And we could see more heavy rain like we're seeing right now. Weather watchers chiming in with some numbers. You know, the numbers aren't that far apart because the clouds and the wet weather and the fog serving to keep those numbers close together in the upper 60s and low 70s. And that's pretty much where we'll stay. Dana's got 67. Cedar Grove, I mean, you'll just be in the low 70s, if that, this afternoon. It'll warm up a bit around Rock Hill. Chris right now has 62. Eva's got 68. Adam has 63. Pictures, though. Oh, there, Casey's back in Westport. Hi, Casey. Oh, it is coffee ice cream day today. But we have another, Adam managed to get this lightning shot early this morning, too. So we've got active thunderstorms in the area right now. We're starting to see more activity through parts of Bergen County. You can see that. Paramus, well, that thing is just racing right now, so that's nasty. That rainfall rate could lead to a little bit of localized flooding. That line holds together through Rockland County. Over the river, Terrytown seeing some heavy rain. Yonkers starting to fill in for you through the Bronx right now. And farther to the north, we're seeing another batch into parts of Orange County. Look at this line, though, through Essex, down into parts of Union County, and then follow this. There'll be more filling in. It's going to be light to moderate rain for Ocean County with these embedded thunderstorms, though. So I know more schools are getting back online. It's going to be a headache. Watch out around schools, pick up and drop off as we see more schools heading back. You've got this instability adding to the risk of more thunderstorms. The front is still well off to the west, so that pushes through slowly during the day. It's cooler, but it's really overnight into tomorrow morning before we see a break. And then when we see a break, it'll be nice. It's a decent finish to the work week with a mix of sun and clouds, more sun than clouds, and some nice numbers Friday into the weekend. So we have two storms to talk about. The monster, of course, Irma, and then also Jose. Right now, I mean, look at this. This is a big, well-organized, powerful, potent, potentially damaging storm at 5 status. That means winds at 185. That means winds in excess of 157. Well, it made that mark, moving west-northwest at 16 miles an hour. Again, the key period to watch for Puerto Rico will be later today, also for the British and U.S. Virgin Islands. And then Thursday during the day, it's the Dominican Republic and Haiti, Turks and Caicos, the Bahamas, now more in play as the cone of uncertainty shifts a little to the east. More concerns through the Bahamas and the Atlantic coast of Florida. Still potential landfall as a 4 or a 3. Maybe some good news here. Tropical storm Jose, it's not a hurricane yet. Close to it, winds at 60, moving west at 13. There's the fuel there to reach hurricane status. Could get to Category 2 by the weekend, but then we see it more likely shifting off to the north and then weakening, which would be great. Our weekend, in stark contrast, will be very nice after a sloppy Wednesday. We see better weather this weekend, but the